Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick demo of multilingual chats. So when you go and create a new chat, you would see that you have an option to select multiple locales. So this is a default locale of the chat and you're selecting multiple locales. So you can select up to 15 locales here. And let's just create this quickly. And now you will see that the chat header looks a little different. You actually have a drop down that allows you to select a locale and view the chat in that particular locale. When I add a new text message, let's add a bit of text here and I can apply this. I can view French Canada and you will see that the text message is blank, but it's actually showing me the placeholder text from my default locale. And same stands true for Hindi as well. What I can do is if I want to populate the empty values, I can use this action, populate empty fields for all additional locales. And what that does is that's going to fill all the empty values from the default locale. So by doing that, I have updated my chat pretty fast. Also, you can use the bulk edit chat feature that allows you to export all the chat values in a CSV file and then import it back to get that velocity on your changes. Here, I wanted to show you a quick chat that I have created here. So this chat is in English Canada, French, and Hindi. So you can see that I can actually see my text. I can actually see the different values that I have put here in French. Some of them are still in English. So you can see here this entire chat. But if I have certain values or certain settings on a chat are global, such as display logic, masking choices, if you want to personalize the chat and have display logic based upon the locale of the chat, you can apply a locale display logic based on engagement locale that allows you to show or hide questions based on particular locale. So I can say show this question only if locale is English Canada. I can also preview the chat in different locales. So I can select the locale that I want to preview, and I can preview and see the flow of the chat in that particular locale. So I've selected here Hindi India, and I'm actually testing the chat in Hindi India. So you can see that the text is showing up in Hindi India. You can also set up brand settings for different locales, and those brand settings would be shown here. Now, when you are distributing the chat, you will see, let's select an engagement locale, which locale do I want this chat to go out in, and then I can set up the target. So you will see a new toggle where you are targeting members with the same preferred locale as the chat locale. So which says that there is a new profile attribute preferred locale, and this will only target members where preferred locale is also English Canada. So if I select that, currently I have not updated preferred locale for any existing members, but I can import that value. So I can disable this toggle and it will work exactly how it works today. So you're targeting all participants of this community. Whereas when you go into links, you can also set up a multilingual link. And here in the multilingual link, you will see a locale variable being appended to the chat link. You can have a locale code, ENCA or FRCA being added to this link to have one link work for multiple locales. Thank you.